How to fix audio crackling in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open a Start menu and then search for Device Manager. Now, search for your audio device. Go to Audio Inputs and Outputs. Double click on it and then you will see an option of speaker. Right click on it and then click on Update Driver. So after that, select the first option and then Windows will automatically search your computer for the best available driver and install it into your device. Next is go to audio processing objects and also do the same process for these three. Simply update driver. If the problem still prevails, simply uninstall the driver and reinstall it back. And that should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.